Welcome to this rare opportunity for a beautiful traditional home in sought-after Barrington Heights. Enjoy big downriver views and an expansive yard backing to a dedicated green space. This fabulous retreat is in the heart of one of West Linn's most desirable neighborhoods. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with newer hardwoods, soaring ceilings, and skylights that bring in tons of natural light. The living room opens to the vaulted dining area. French doors lead to the large deck, partially covered for year-round entertaining. The chef's kitchen features a large cooktop island with granite counters, a wine fridge, stainless appliances, and abundant storage space. The kitchen and breakfast nook open to the family room with a cozy fireplace and tranquil downriver views. You'll find a large den with French doors and wainscoting. On the upper level, unwind in your private retreat in the master suite. It has access to its own deck and beautiful river views. The spa-like master bath is well appointed with fine finishes and a relaxing jetted tub. This home of nearly 3,000 square feet has 4 large bedrooms, including one that could be a bonus room. Every morning you can wake up to these river and valley hillside views from your private sun deck, or enjoy family fun in the large backyard. It's a convenient location near shopping, restaurants, and exceptional schools. A fantastic home in a premier neighborhood. You'll find it all here on Riverknoll Way in West Linn. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Roberta and Stephen Knopson at 503-939-8025.